Hello guys, welcome to Inside Electronics. So in one of my previous video I've shown you guys a beautiful little application that has a lot of useful features for basically anyone who deals with electronics. So today I am going to show you another application that will come handy, because this application is basically a calculator for all electronics persons. For example, I don't know what's wrong with these weird little text over here, but anyways, the name of application is this Calcs for Electronics. Again, this is a professional version right here. So as the name implies, this is a calculator application basically, and you can see it has built in a lot of calculators. You can calculate these features and very beautiful UI. So let's take a look at what other features this thing have. If you click, say let's hit Ohm's law, and you can see has a graphical interface, and you can enter your criteria over here. You need to select whichever things you want to calculate. For example, if you want to calculate the current, you need to enter some features like voltage and resistance, for example, and you can do it with DC and AC current. And there is one little thing that I found very unusual, because even for impedance, if you want to calculate anything for AC, you need to enter the phase angle. Like even for calculating other stuff, like for example, if you want to calculate the current, you need to select the voltage and impedance. Let's see, 240 volts and impedance is 500 ohms. This is where you change those parameters. And if you hit calculate right away, you will get an error. It's because you have to enter the phase angle for this. Even for impedance, see, without entering that value right there, it will not calculate it for you. That's one problem. I don't know if it can be called as a problem, but still I find it very unusual. And the other good thing is that this book feature, this feature right here, if you click on it, it will take you to the theory of Ohm's law. See, it will show you a beautiful diagram with all the explanations and everything. And that's it for the calculator section. And this has all these features, operational amplifiers, every single one of them. Again, if you hit the text, you will get the theory for that particular thing. And battery life, converters, this is not much of it. There is very little calculations going on right there. And the other feature that I don't like is the LED, because as you can already see, it only calculates the LED resistance value for a series number of LEDs. Unless I'm doing something wrong, I cannot find an option to calculate the resistance when the LEDs are connected in pair. There is no way to calculate that. Or I may be doing something wrong, but I don't know. Correct me if I am wrong in the comments below. So you don't need an application for that. I will show you a method to calculate the LED resistance in another video. Antenna power transformer, that's all the calculators for you. And the next thing is, it has this gallery of all the pinouts for the particular standard, like the audio, VGA connector and everything. So this is limited in a way, because this app mainly focus on these calculators. Everything else is just as a bonus package there for you. The cables and everything, these are much better in the other application that I showed. And because this itself is very limited in a way, in a sense that, you know, it's just the basics, not basic in it's complicated, like you get the point, okay? And these two features, the datasheet and IC pinouts, they need you to connect it to the internet for function, because it's an online feature. So it just takes you to a website. The datasheet function will take you to a website, and the website opens inside this application. It's just like doing a Google search, but inside the application. That's it. So this is going to take some time, because I don't know why, but if this happens, this is the third issue. If this happens, loading content, please wait. If this happens, there is no way you can close it. unless you force the application to turn off and turning it on back again. This is the only way if you get stuck. So do I recommend this application? I do, because it has these little features, these little calculators that may come handy, especially the capacitor color codes and the inductor color codes and things like that. Even though the other application is much better, and this may come handy, but do I recommend the professional version? That depends upon you, because basically you can do with the free version, because it will show some advertisements. That's the only issue you have to face. If you don't want a professional version, if you don't like this application, then there is no need to pay the extra for all these features. And I think that's it for today. You can try this application. The name is right here. You can just search for it in Google Play Store. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in another video, and I'll be doing some other application reviews also. So yeah, that's it for today.